Just a question here. This is from Victor. Hi, Lou and crew. I saw you talking about Starbucks in one of your vids and was wondering what you usually get or like from Starbucks. Will,
Okay.
Kirk, Jack, feel free to answer if you like.
Will, Kirk, Jack, feel free to answer as well. Wow, this is going after everyone. Victor, going after the whole squad here. This is easy for me. I always get the same stuff. I keep it so simple, Will. It's ridiculous how simple it is.
Yeah.
I'm either getting an iced Americano, all right, which is, I mean, it is what it sounds like. It's simple. I'll put a little bit of milk in it. That's the only thing. Just to give it a little slightly different texture. Texture is not the right word. Consistency. So iced Americano with milk. Now I won't get that if they have cold brew. The new, what is it? Nitro cold brew? What do they call it? Yeah, Nitro cold brew on tap. I'll get that. That's the new one right there. I like that picture. Look at that thing. It almost like has like a beer. It has a little carbonation to it. It's so much fun. Try the Nitro cold brew if you're into iced coffees and you want something even more special tasting. Not all the locations have it, but I'll get that. I'll just get an iced coffee sometimes. I'm talking summer drinks because it's hot right now, or it's summer. It's not hot today, but it's summer. Other than that, I'm doing a dark roast. Just a dark roast if I'm getting a hot coffee. And that's it. I'm a simple man. And, it's been a few years now. I've been going that path. I've been going that route. From time to time, I will get an iced tea. Just the tea. Not the lemonade combination. No sweetener. Just the tea on ice. That happens from time to time as well. That's it. That rounds it out. That's all that I get. What about you, Will?
I go for teas as well. Chai lattes, green tea.
Oh, yeah. I seen you get that.
Yeah, simple.
You're not a big coffee guy. More of a tea guy.
Yeah. I like tea.
All right.
Coffee, not so much.
Well, no need to get upset about it. No need to yell and scream about it. Chai latte.
Yeah, they're good.
That's a bit fancier. You pay a little more for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got the milk. It's a bit frothy. It's got a whole thing going on. Mm-hmm. Good for you, Kirk. What's your order? Well, I know your order as well, isn't it? You're just getting a dark roast as well, are you not?
Yeah, I go for a cappuccino.
What?
Yeah, if I don't get a coffee, I go for a cappuccino. But
Oh, you're saying if you don't just get, but what's your regular order?
dark roast.
Just a dark roast. Okay, yeah.
But I had in China, I had that nitro cold brew with ice cream in it at the Starbucks.
Oh, wow. No, I don't, but that sounds delicious. As a treat. He said cold brew and they put ice cream in it. He had that when he was in China. Jack, what's your go-to? I know yours as well. Tall blonde, right? Yeah.
I like my coffee,
All right. Jack just goes for a tall blonde. I've seen him get it. I could have answered this on behalf of everyone. Well, I think I did, in fact. You see the orders going around from time to time. So anyway, yeah, that's the Starbucks light roast for those of you that are wondering. It's the blonde, tall, the smallest size, tall, grande, venti. I guess we should talk about sizes. I'm usually in the venti territory if I have my choice, but I will deal with a grande here and there.
Yeah, grande.
Jack's going
sure.
tall. What's your size?
Grande.
Grande? Grande. Okay, very well. There it is.